God gave me you.
It's about forgiving oneself, finding faith in love and God.
Yung character ni James Teban dito, medyo happy-go-lucky. Ganda ng pagkaka-layout ng story ng God Gave You. It makes you realize something na hindi mo dapat hinahayaan yung mga bagay na dumaan lang sa palad mo. You have to cherish every moment.
Kwento ni Danny, si Danny kasi isa siyang flight attendant doon. Pangarap ko talaga maging FA noon pa. Ang pinaka-challenging lang dito kasi siguro ibang-iba siya sa ginagawa ko sa Bulaga, sa Caliseri.
Well, I play the character of Matthew Montesilio. Isa siyang goal-oriented na pilot. Everything was a challenge for me since nga first time ko mag-acting. Considering na I have no experience in acting.
Going to fly people, Matt. Not planes. Deal?
Deal, pare.
Matakot, oh. Ganyan-ganyan pa, oh. Ice cream delivery.
Nandito ka.
Ha?
Nandito ka.
Wala. Ice cream.
Tara.
Okay. Okay.
Buka. Sir loves company.
Cheers.
Cheers. Naisip mo, di ba? Ikaw nang gumawa.
Inumin mo yan. Kasi
sige, madali akong kausap. Hello, Han. Nasaan ka na ba? Kanina pa ako nag-iintay sa'yo dito, eh.
Thank you for choosing flight with Icon Airline. Mabuhay. Okay?
Game.
Dito?
Never ka mag-isa. Don't worry. Mahal na mahal kita.